morning 7:30. So we are going for a walk around to our beach area, and this is our private beach. And you can see that's our room. That's the Deluxe villa. We already spoke about that room. So today's plan is to we'll walk around in here beach area, and we'll go for a breakfast. And after that, we'll go to that another island. That's a Falhumaafushi. That's also property of the Residence Maldives. So stay tuned, guys. Stay with us. The villas you are seeing there, water villas, those are sunrise water villas, and yeah, so sunset water villas is limited, but they have many sunrise water villas, and all are adjacent to the pool. They have private pool. Hey guys, this is our today's breakfast. Lamb kebab, chicken sausage, beef sausage, pork sausage, and bacons. This is our Indian corner. Tuna salad, gobi paratha, aloo bonde, poha, chole. Hey guys, so today's stay was our deluxe villa. That's with all inclusive. So breakfast, lunch, dinner plus drinks, and yeah. So we'll check out now from this room, and we'll move to the sunset beach villa. So this room, you have seen this room. This is awesome view. This is a sunrise view with pool, and this is a deluxe just because they have a different unit over here, and the restroom unit is really good. So this room, one night it took 68,551 rupees. That's nothing but $924. And plus you need to pay some taxes, that is $12, which is come around 890 rupees. So this amount is all inclusive, so per night. So guys, the stay was good. It was good. It's really good. The view was really awesome, and we enjoyed. So stay tuned, guys. Stay with us. So we'll talk about the next room in. Thank you. Hey guys, we are going to Falhumaafushi Island. That's the adjacent one with Dhigurah, the residence. Both the same property. There is a 1 kilometer connecting bridge between Falhumaafushi and Dhigurah, and with that's a different property. So there will be all dining area, beach club area, everything should be there. And whoever is booking through Falhumaafushi or Dhigurah, they both can access either this island or that island, and those are connected with a bridge. You can cycle or you can take a buggy to reach there. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, this is the spa. You can go for spa by Clarins, and this is the starting of the Falhumaafushi bridge. This is Falhumaafushi, starting of the bridge from Dhigurah side. Look at this water, guys. This is so clean, and it's a mix of blue and green. It's not at all green. You can see it's a blue and green. So some places it's blue just because I think for clouds, and some places it's totally green. This is the Cast Island. We are going to the Cast Island. This is detached from the Falhumaafushi and Dhigurah. The left side you can see that's the Falhumaafushi water villas, and the right side you can see that's Dhigurah. The sky is cloudy, but it's not like totally cloudy. They have sun coming and comes out, and oh, you can sit. This is the Falhumaafushi Island. We just enter into the Falhumaafushi Island. We'll roam around a bit here and there. This is the dining room for Falhumaafushi. This is the dining area. This island is quite nice. এটা সুন্দর বেশি। Right side, that's the diving center. You can see this is the diving center, I think. Their cycle color is white, I mean off-white. Our cycle color is blue. I mean Dhigurah is having blue cycle and Falhumaafushi is having white cycle. Falhuma bicycle stand. I think that's another restaurant. Something should be there on the right side. Right side there is a fitness center. Spa is a straight. Villa 300 and 343 is straight. This island is quite organized, what I think. Straight is spa. This is their beach area. I think that's another restaurant on the left. Yeah, and couple of villas. Okay, so that's also spa. Hello. We are going back to Dhigurah now. This is the gym area. I think that's at the entry. And we are heading towards Dhigurah. Hello. This is the beach bar.